Should flash flooding 2 to 3 inches of rain. Get a great deal on the Pilot at the Honda Summer Clearance Event today. Virginia Beach, Virginia, and Norfolk, and I don't know where else.
The need for micro-transit. Riders racked up almost 600,000 miles for the first year e-scooters hit the pavement in the Mermaid City. That's like riding around the Earth 24 times or more locally between Town Point Park and Scope 600,000 times. The city says most trips were short, under a mile in less than 10 minutes.
It's been real hot today. That God's cooling down the earth.
We can hear it hitting the roof. A beautiful summer day is giving way to showers and storms. The intense humidity is the perfect catalyst. And this is a live look from Tower Cam 10. Good evening. I'm Tom Shad.
Staying out there, we are already starting to get rumbles of thunder over our heads here in Portsmouth. Watches and warnings for flash flooding is even popping up.
Portsmouth, rumblings of thunder.
Okay, take a look at what's going on with this.
Don Slater.
Super Dapper 10 Live. We do have a flash flood warning in effect for the city of Virginia Beach, mainly, and into Norfolk. However, things have lightened up considerably for the city of Virginia Beach. We did see that heavy rainfall, at about 3.5, 4 inches of rainfall in a very, very short time.
We got regular air stations.
We've had over the past couple of days. Now, we take a look at what's going on right now. The heaviest rain is actually in Norfolk.
Ooh, lightning. Lightning right at that telephone pole.
Also got some heavy rain in the Grassfield, Deep Creek area, points northward into Portsmouth, pretty much covering a bunch of Portsmouth, and of course into Norfolk. And where we have that flash flood warning, it's much, much lighter rainfall going on. Pardon me, I'm catching my breath. I had to run across the studio. Take a look at what's going on, because I forgot this. The clicker. Anyway, we are looking at a heavy, heavy rainfall going on in the Norfolk, south of 64 especially. Northern parts of Norfolk, not quite as much rainfall going on, but still moderately heavy rainfall. Colonial Place, Algonquin Park, farther south where you get, you saw downtown, you see right over the top of our station, where we are right now.
We're watching Get TV channel,
Lots of lightning going on.
Court, and all them. Something Paradise, something. And the youngest blonde girl is.
All right, now it's been 5 months since a fugitive was shot and killed by police.
The Star Child on Kenneth Johnson V and B, the final battle into the miniseries. I can't think of her name right now. Never mind, I just remember Elizabeth. She played the character Elizabeth. Whoa. That was even closer. I wouldn't want to be in that thunder and lightning. Wow. You have to prepare to get all loud thunder booms for it finally. I was doing that while we were eating supper too. I was having faith in Jesus. I'd get some loud ones while I'm recording after supper. And Jesus answered my prayers. Yeah.
not too bad. I think it's like, I think I got 18. Sit here and talk. Stop for shoot, I gotta check on.
Public hearing is going to be held on the Confederate Monument tonight, and a vote will likely take place. No one is gathered here yet for that rally, but we will have a live look at what that could be coming up tonight at 6 o'clock. We're now reporting live in Newport News. Gina Arevalo, sit on your side.
You move up another Confederate statue in one day.
1,000 new coronavirus cases, but cases at Hampton Roads, they're still trending down. 254 new cases added today, out of 17 new deaths statewide.
North Carolina
Four
dog
added
died of
Hampton Roads.
COVID
North Carolina
complications.
added more than 1,000
Oh, that's
cases to
sad.
their total of nearly 138,000. There are also more than 1,000 COVID patients in North Carolina hospitals. 5 more North Carolinians succumbed to the virus, all even recently died. There's complications there. And with coronavirus still spreading, it makes back-to-school plans very difficult. The Virginia Beach School District decided 2 weeks ago to start the school year with virtual learning. Then News Internet that she has a new update on their fall 2020 plans. Yeah.
Well, Anita, this school board workshop that started at 4 o'clock this afternoon went on for at least 45 minutes just discussing the upcoming school year. School leaders talked about how virtual learning attendance is required by law. Unlike in the spring of 2020, for this school year, virtual and face-to-face learning will assess on their grades. Dr. Luke Bergen, the chief of staff at Virginia Beach City Public Schools, talked about the student registration verifications process. He said 70% of families complete this process. 42% of the 70% households option 1 with face-to-face instructional training to do so during the school year. 28% selected option 2.
Yeah, lightning's almost hitting the ground. If somebody was on a bike, they would have got electrocuted. See what I mean? Like that other day, lightning hit right over there twice. Not in the same day, but the second time it was really bad that the power went out for 3 hours. And the first time, I'm sure the guy who was cleaning up ran inside the house.
need help now more than ever.
The calls have been overwhelming.
Calls for things like rental assistance have gone up in the city during the COVID-19 pandemic. So the city planning $1.4 million from the CARES Act for those trying to make ends meet. Ginger Bluntmore, the deputy director, says this is a step in the right direction.
We wanted to provide a safety net really to residents during a time of so much uncertainty.
The Human Services Department will give out the money through the Supplemental Assistance Funding for Emergencies, or SAFE program. The money can be used for things like food, rent, mortgage, utilities, child care, transportation, and medication.
It is so beneficial to our residents. We know that this is going to be impactful to a community that's already struggling and in need.
And unlike other programs, the SAFE program is more flexible. It can be tailored to each client based on their needs.
This program has no caps based on household size or income level.
You just have to be a resident and show that you've lost income during the pandemic.
They're certainly verified with your past due bills that you have, anything from March to present. You can also be working now, but you had a loss of the job doing from March.
Keep in mind, it's first come, first served.
I want to stress that everybody, it is a one-time benefit. So once you call into the program and you're approved, you can get as many assistance programs as you need.
And the funds are available through the end of the year or until that money runs out. If you'd like to apply, that number is up on your screen, and I'll also post more information over on wavy.com. Kiana Patterson, back to you.
Coming up on Wavy News 10 at 5:30, the federal government is on